Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to a brand new video with the Unspeakable Frog. So today, guys, we'll be playing Minecraft. I'm gonna show you guys what I built in my world. It's kind of like a big house, but I'm not really gonna show you guys what's in the inside. I think it's terrible. Maybe we have a garage. So here we are, Minecraft Pocket Edition. So like that. Just wait. So I built this in creative mode because I would die building this in survival mode because my house just got a lot of creepers. So as you can see, guys, I am installing Messenger because my Messenger got deleted. I don't know why. So let's just wait until it's okay. Okay, I'll let you guys show. By the way, guys, there's the house. I hope you guys are enjoying this house. Like this house. Probably have a second floor. Acacia wood, acacia wood, or I don't know what to call that kind of wood. As the roof of our house. And this is where I put the garage. An ugly garage which I have an ugly car. Just look at this. Oh, I also got the monster truck. As you can see, it's a lame monster truck. So let's just go inside the house, or should I say mansion? That'd be fancy though. So, by the way, guys, leave a like and subscribe to my channel if whoever is watching this. What ba? Dili ba nakakuha naman ko sa Changban, isa na lang sa Changban. Now don't disturb me. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel. So we got a kind of like a roof. I still don't know what it's called. So let's just get inside. See, guys, it's terrible. I don't know how to design a house. So let's close that. And let me show you guys the world. So as you can see, guys, there are lots of lights because I put this light because there are so many mobs when it's dark. Mobs will spawn or come inside this house. I don't even know how. Even though the door is closed, they still can come inside. So what is this quartz slab? Hey guys, we have our dining table here, just right next to the kitchen. This is the kitchen. So we have two furnace on crafting table. Just acting like, what do you call that? Cabinets or table. That is very lame. We got sea lanterns with what they call that, birchwood fences, and we also got redstone below. So oops, let's go upstairs and let me show you guys. I still need to decorate this house though. You see, and you got your boy Unspeakable Frog. Stick carpet. By the way, guys, I made all of this. I did not have any help because I'm not signed into the Xbox Live. I don't really care what Xbox is. So it's kind of like a beautiful place. Let's go to our room. It's getting night. It's getting dark. Okay. Let's grab our sword. So this is my room. Redstone as lights, my cabinets, our chest, crafting table, and books. So right now we're just gonna turn the lights off and have a nice rest. Okay. So we're not gonna turn that on until it's night. So not really thinking about decorating that there because it's like a what do you call that? A space. I don't really care. Anyways, guys, I was thinking about building a rocket, but I think it's too late. So I only built two vehicles, a monster truck and a race car. So right here we have a couch, a rough couch. We have two snows here. I mean four. A table and a TV with just lots of bookshelves. So these two here are like the where the movie tapes are. Yeah, I think you already know. So guys, I think it's time to show you what's inside here. It's a bathroom. It's so ugly. So this is where I poop with my sword. Ooh yeah. And that even closing the door. Mobs will see you creep. Or maybe they're the creep. Or maybe the creeper is. Okay, let's flash it. Open and close and show you guys what's inside here. This probably leads to the basement. So it doesn't really have enough space. So tired building this. So dark in. Why is this spot still light? That's okay, really weird. Turn it on. Turn it off. Turn it on. So we're gonna waste electricity. So I guess that's for today's house tour, guys. I think that's all for today. I hope you guys like my house. Oh no, wait, I forgot. I have the enchanting table here. I have a redstone lamp. And this is where I enchant stuff. So let's see what we get. Knockback 1. Whoa. Whoa. Just gonna. This is awesome. This is awesome. I'm gonna put that in my cabinet. And no one will notice. Not even the Enderman. If an Enderman gets a sword, I'll die. So this is actually a survival house. I think this is a survival house. Oh no. Oh no, not again. Thank you. So that's it for today, guys. For tonight, I think, because it's night here. Whenever this upload is done. So I was thinking of building a what do you call that? A trampoline. I think it's time to build it. So we're not gonna change the others. We're just gonna change this into a slime block. So what the hell just happened? Let's destroy this block. Oh my god. The first one is white. And then black, and then red. Then black. I especially don't know what I built. Don't even think that this is a trampoline. So we just finish this and the video is done. After I made the roof. Oh my god, the controls are crazy! Okay, let's destroy the rules here. And it's done. Woo! Anyway guys, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done playing Minecraft. I'm done. I'm really done playing Minecraft. Oh, I forgot that this is a sinking room, sinking spot. I'm not really gonna build a roof here because it actually has no use. And comment down below if I should create a underwater base. Kinda like I'm gonna build it right here because it's deep. Like here, we're not gonna do it in survival either because I don't have any sponges in survival. So yeah, I'm gonna build a underwater base here. If you guys comment down below that I should build an underground base. Well, I think that's all for today, guys. I'm not really good at speaking English, but I think this will do. Also, we have pumpkins there. I'm gonna eat it. So, I hope you guys are doing so fine today. And I'll see you guys in the next video.